Shout out time. Bobby Gately, my brother. So the deal is with this is I have had this for a while and just haven't been able to get around to it. So I'm getting around to it. I just opened it because it's really sealed, and yeah. So let's get to this so I can get this out of here. One hand. Holy shnikey, sweet! Oh yeah, look at that. What's next in here? What's this? Oh no way! A Bobby Gately Enclosure SMD Steve Mead. I'm pretty sure this was made on Steve Mead's Bailey. Man, that's sweet, dude. Man, let's see. That'd be a heck of a thumbnail right there, huh, guys? Except without my thumb. Let's see if we can do this somehow. It's gonna get right there, I guess. But no, actually, you know what? That's a good freaking place for that right there, buddy. Let me see. Let me see. Let me back up a little bit. I got a lot of. Yeah, that's where that's got to go right there. The Gately's. It's got to go right there, buddy. New home. Sweet, man. I appreciate it. And your work is so beyond anything that I could fathom. I mean, all right, my garage is a mess, you guys, so don't give me a hard time. But right now, this is what I'm working with right now. Oh, yeah. Speaking of Steve Mean, when he first got his first machine, he made this, and then he sent it to me free. And so I want to do something, acquire this in my build as well. This is the old school. This one, not like my Explorer is. This is going to be a old school build, all old school Ryan amplifiers, Apple amplifiers. But oh man, I don't know if you can see in there, but there's 618s in this fourth order here, and this is all 1-inch MDF. It's totally braced like you wouldn't even believe. This is beast mode, enclosure, DB drive 12s, DB drive 800 watt amp on the back. But anyway, that's that. Let's see. But anyway, let's get back to you. I don't know what I was even getting off of the path there. But right now, I really appreciate it, Gately. Bobby, you're the man. And I can't thank you enough. These will go on the rigs, man. Hopefully, you can come to Surf City Sound Off. It's an awesome show, a lot of fun. This year, I'm gonna spend some time and get some real videos. Last couple years, I've had family with me and car problems, and it didn't work out on my behalf. So I'm old. I mean, if you look at some of these trophies, there's some oldies. Oh, there's a lowdown. 2013. What's that right there? One of my first place trophies. This is was Sound Waves first place. I went up against their own car and won that one. Another low down. That's sound waves. Jeez, it sounded like I broke something in the first place. Anyway, you guys have a great day, Bobby. Thank you very much. Sorry that I ran it off on other stuff. This was for Bobby Gately. Anyway, have a great day. Have a better weekend. God bless. I'm out.